Cube of a binomial connected by positive sign. Cube of a number, that is cube of a plus b times a plus b times a plus b, or we can say a plus b times a plus b square. Next we know the expansion for a plus b square, that is a square plus b square plus twice of ab. Here we get multiplication of a binomial times a trinomial, that is a plus b times square of a plus b. And here's the expansion. Now we multiply each of the term from first expression, that is a plus b, times second expression, that is a plus b whole square. Next we can easily solve it because we know how to multiply a monomial with any of the expression, algebraic expression we have given. So when we have same base, we add the exponents. Otherwise, we write the terms as it is. So here is the next expansion we have. Next we observe like terms which are a square b and ab square. First we write cube of two terms, which is a cube plus b cube, then 3 times a square b and 3 times ab square. Let's move to the visual proof. First we take a, then b, two different side lengths. We can take any two random numbers, and here we get a plus b cube. Let's take a as 2 and b 3. Two arbitrary side lengths, and here we get a cube having side length a plus b cube, that means 5 cube, whose volume will be 5 into 5 into 5. That will become 125 cubic units. Now we try to express this cube in terms of 2 and 3, with which as we are taking a as 2 and b 3. Obviously we are talking about cube, so first we extract a cube. Here is the cube having side length 2 and volume will be 8 cubic units. Keep it aside, and here is another cube having side length b, that is 3. Volume will be 27 cubic units. A cuboid whose dimensions are 2 into 3 into 3. Fourth, we get another cuboid with dimensions 3 by 2 by 2, and we can write it as 3 times 2 square. Here is another cuboid, and rest of the solid again we divide in terms of 2 and 3, and we get cuboids having dimensions 2 3 3 or 3 2 2. This is the expansion, that is visual expansion for a plus b cube in terms of 2 and 3. Shifting to the variables, we get here cube of a plus cube of b, 3 cuboids having dimensions a times b, and 3 cuboids having dimensions a times b. Or we can write it as a cube plus b cube plus 3 times a square b plus 3 times a b square. Here is second configuration in which we get a side length 5 common in 3 solids. On getting 2 cubes having dimensions 2 and 3, if we try to expect third cube, it would not be possible. So here, on taking 5 side length common, that will become 3 times AB, which is another form of this expansion a plus b cube.